Hello, my friend. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English. If you feel nervous speaking English, don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners understand English but struggle to speak confidently. The fear of making mistakes stops you from using the language freely. Today, I will share 30 essential English sentences that you can use every single day. These are simple, practical, and perfect for real life. By the end of this session, you will have more confidence, feel comfortable speaking, and start using English naturally without hesitation. Let's begin. Your journey to speaking English confidently starts right now. Greetings and small talk. Hello, how are you? Use this to greet anyone politely. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A polite way to reply. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Used depending on the time of day. What's your name? Start a friendly conversation. My name is Harry. Reply clearly and confidently. Tip: saying greetings slowly and clearly makes you sound confident. Everyday conversations. How was your day? A great way to start casual chats. I had a good day, thank you. A simple reply that feels natural. Where are you from? Used to learn about others. I am from America. Short and clear answer. Do you speak English? Ask politely when unsure. Tip: use these sentences in real situations, even with friends or strangers online. Asking for help and directions. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Simple and useful for travel. Could you repeat that, please? Use if you didn't hear clearly. Tip: asking politely shows respect and gives you more confidence in speaking. Shopping and food. How much is this? Use when buying something. I would like this, please. Polite way to order food or items. Can I pay by card? Very useful in shops or restaurants. Do you have item? Ask if something is available. Thank you very much. Always show gratitude. Tip: practicing these sentences daily helps you feel ready for real-life situations. Expressing feelings and opinions. I like it. I don't like it. Share your opinion simply. I'm happy. I'm sad. Express feelings easily. It's very interesting. Use for things you enjoy. I think it's good. Share your thoughts politely. I don't understand. Honest sentence to clarify things. Tip: don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking is about communicating, not perfection. Daily life and routine. I'm going to work or school. Share your daily plan. I'm at home. Simple but useful for small talks. I need some rest. Express needs politely. It's time to eat. Common in everyday conversations. See you later. Friendly way to say goodbye. Tip: using these sentences often will make them feel natural, almost like thinking in English. Practical motivation. Remember, my friend, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about trying every day. Don't worry about mistakes. They are your best teachers. The more you practice, the faster your confidence grows. Speak these 30 sentences daily. Say them aloud. Use them in real life. And notice how English becomes part of your daily routine. Your voice matters, and every small effort counts. You did amazing today. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not fear. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. If you enjoyed this podcast, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for more lessons, tips, and daily English practice. Always remember, English is not just a language, it's your voice, your confidence, and your key to the world. Keep talking, keep learning, keep shining.